Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript for loop. Loops are handy if you want to run the same code over and over again, each time with a different value. Often this is the case when working with arrays. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type in here let, or say I'm gonna type in here for loop and for parentheses and curly braces, and here I'm gonna type let I equals 0 semicolon, and I is less than 5 semicolon, and then I'm gonna type in here I plus plus, and let's come in here and log. Under codes I'm gonna type the number is colon, and I'm gonna concatenate here I, hit save, and we get the number is 1, the number is 2, the number is 3 and 4. Now let me explain you what we have within this parenthesis. We have got here 3 statements. Statement number 1, this is statement number 2, and this is statement number 3. This is statement number 1, sets a variable before the loop starts. Here we have got I equals 0, and in this statement number 2 it defines the condition for the loop to run. I must be less than 5, and in the last, or statement number 3, we incremented a value I each time the code block in the loop has been executed. So that's why we got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's discuss about loop scope, and for this I'm gonna type in here var I equals 5, and if I come in here and type, let me get rid of it for now, and I'm gonna type in here log I. Now if I hit save, we get 5 and semicolon, and I'm gonna type in here 10, hit save, we get 10, whereas we have defined the value of I is 5, and now we are logging it outside this block of code. This is not 5 anymore, it changes to 10. And now if I come in here and type let, hit save, we get 5. So in this case it did not change the value of I outside this block of code. And that was all about for loop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.